Rhea here at Flamant in West Annapolis, enjoying this awesome fire pit. Let's go inside and talk to the head chef and owner.
Ready when you are? What we're gonna make today is we have always on the menu one shared dish. I always thought of it's kind of fun to bring something that you can share with your partner or with a group of people. So here we have this beautiful Bell and Evans chicken from Pennsylvania, Fredericksburg, Pennsylvania.
Okay.
It's organic chicken. We stuff it with garlic, some thyme, rosemary, salt, pepper.
All the good stuff.
All the good stuff. And then we actually put this like this in a sous vide bag. Put it in the sous vide bath for about 4 hours. So at low temperature, so the juice is gonna go in there. It's just like that, it goes on, a little bit of butter. And then when it comes out after about 4 hours, we take it out of the bag and then air dry it for about 24 hours. We'll season this off with a little bit of pinch of salt. We put a couple of branches of fresh thyme around. The butter will be melting, the juices will come out. We already have some garlic inside. Juices that kind of came out we'll be using to kind of glaze it, and the reason why we want to tie it so it gives a very nice uniform baking. So we'll probably let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll pop it another 1 minute or 2 in the oven, and then we'll serve it. I can tell you now that my background is definitely more European, Belgium kind of background. This is where I had my training, where I went to culinary school as well. And so for me it's important to kind of reflect the dishes that I have fun cooking with, ingredients that I like. Sometimes could be an ingredient that is hard to get, I'll have it on the menu, because I like that we do something different than other people, and that is probably one of the most important things. You know, there's nothing complicated, it's about execution that is important. The color of the skin, the crispiness, the flavor palette, and then the creaminess of this dish comes through the potatoes, where you have a beautiful combination. You would like to taste?
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait.
Enjoy.
We just had a fantastic meal here at Flamant. Thank you, Frederik, and the whole Flamant crew. Thank you, Dee, for that harvest sour. And again, this is Rhea with West Annapolis. Thanks for watching. Cheers.